So we were discussing about client and server computers. The process that owns the resource and does this management is called server process. So basically server process is basically processing of these servers, that is file, database, print name, etc. And the computer on which server process runs is called a server computer because it services request for use of the resource. So this process is run on server computer. Other processes that send service request to server are called client processes, and computers on which client processes run are called client computers. So there are server processes and client processes. So these processes are being run on server as well as client computers. First, we will see entities. First is server, client, and network. So we will discuss about client, server, and network entity. First is client. A client is generally a single user system, which is laptop, PC, workstation, or handheld computer that provides user friendly interface to end users. That means client is a user friendly system. That means laptop, PC, workstation, or a smartphone also. Generally, there are multiple clients in a client server computing environment, and each client has its own system specific user interface for allowing users to interface with the system. So there are lot of clients and servers are less. So for one server there can be lot of clients also. Second is server. A server is a relatively powerful system, that is workstation, mainframe, or supercomputer. So workstation, mainframe, and supercomputers are used as server, and these manages to shared resources and or provide a set of shared user services to clients. Servers are headless machines not having monitor, keyboard, and mouse attached to them. So servers do not have any monitor, keyboard, and mouse attached to them, as users do not directly interact with them and use them over a network. So servers are not to be directly interacted over a network. Third is network. A network interconnects all clients and servers of client server computing environment. It may be LAN, WAN, or an internet of networks. A set of computers interconnected together to form a client server computing environment is collectively known as distributed computing system or distributed system.